right, guys, we are here with my pal Justin from Greenspeed. How you doing, Justin?
Fantastic, fantastic. Good to be here. Been watching your content for a few years now, being relatively new to the industry. You guys have enlightened me quite a bit over the years. So
that's great.
Keep kicking it out.
Thank you. Yeah, we try to do that.
Right,
so,
right.
All right. Well, Justin, you're going to talk about some Greenspeed products, maybe some accessories, but we're going to start here with the Magnum, this specific Magnum. What's special about it?
Yeah. So this is the Magnum Big Wheel. It's been around for a bit, tried and true. Beautiful design with a few additions that we've had in the last year. The first of which is the Bosch boost kit. So going electric is something that we have been wanting to do and had been in the works for years, and now it's finally come to market and it's been very well received. So a P65, 65 newton meters of torque, performance line motor from Bosch. Also comes with the kiosk display, which offers all kinds of metrics for average speed, distance traveled, and all of the power assist options that Bosch brings to the table. Depending on the type of terrain you're riding, whether the wind's at your back or the wind's at your front, whether you're going up hills, going down hills, up to somewhere in the world of 80 miles on a battery charge.
And that 400 watts is going to pretty much take care of anything you encounter.
Yeah, a lot of people are familiar with Bosch, very seamless torque sensored system. So sometimes on like eco mode, you don't even really know it's giving you the assistance, but you can kick it in when you need it. You can kick it off if you don't. So yeah, I love riding it. I spend a lot of time on gravel pathways in Michigan. So we start on a paved path and we can veer off to some gravel or some crushed limestone. And the Magnum Big Wheel, I'm a fan of the rear wheel being a little bigger, kind of smooths out some of the bumps, and it's good to go. Love it. So
good.
One other addition to this particular model is the introduction of the ATC Bio Grips, which have a built-in ridge rest. Keeps you extremely comfortable when you get the trike set up, you're in the trike and you just want a relaxed upper body, your hands grab the handlebars. Greenspeed steer very easily, but then the addition to be able to just rest your wrist on the integrated grip is a huge advantage. I found them super beneficial.
So from the large trike to something a little smaller, the GT20, what do we got going on here?
Actually, yeah, exactly. The GT20 is the leaner, meaner machine that we have offering from Greenspeed. New to this model, middle of next year, we're expecting is the addition of a rear hub electric assist drive from Promavec. So we've got that installed on here to test this weekend. Anybody can come out and test drive it and see how it works. But yeah, unlike the MidDrive system here for the Bosch, we've decided to go with a rear hub drive system from Promavec. And it's real clean setup. I mean, I like it. It's got a really streamlined design here for the functionality of your different assist levels, where your battery's at, and then best of all, it will Bluetooth to your cell phone to give you all the other metrics that folks are looking for. Average speed, average distance, total speed, total distance. Everything else has a mapping system on it. So yeah, super excited about that. It'll be an aftermarket product for anybody with a rectangular tubed Greenspeed G20. It's been around for a bit now.
Nice. So speaking of the MidDrive, could you put, instead of the hub, you could put a boost kit on this?
We don't have an approved boost kit MidDrive from Bosch designed for the GT20. Keeping in line with the lightweight design and the nimbleness and the steering accuracy of a GT20, we've opted to go with a rear hub drive. Nice clean setup. Still has the power that some folks are looking for to get you up the hills or take you a little further, take you a little longer. Turn it off if you don't want it.
No, that makes that makes great sense, John. Because I was just wondering, why the hub kit, but that makes sense. It's it's the perfect solution for this trike.
We exhaust all the possibilities at Greenspeed. We have a fantastic team of engineers and support. And we put a lot of effort into, if we're going to make a change to something, what is it going to do to it? And the MidDrive motor for us wasn't quite what we were looking for from the steering that Greenspeed is known for, nimbleness, agility. So, and then keeping it a lower weight, we took it to the GT20 rear hub drive motor.
So Justin, we also have set of tires here, accessories now we're going to be talking about from Greenspeed. These are very special tires. A lot of folks love them. What do we got?
Yeah, this is the Scorcher from Greenspeed. Attributes to this: very lightweight, very supple, extremely low rolling resistance. So historically very popular with the HPV racing scene. They love it for the speed that this tire can provide, the low rolling resistance, and just the way that it glides down the bike path. There's two sizes with two different width options. So we have the 20-inch in 1.5 here. We also have the 20-inch in 2.25, and then we have the 16-inch in 1.5. We also have two different thread pitches, 60 and 120. 120 is just going to get you a little bit lighter, a little bit more supple tire. That's what the race scene usually goes after. But these come stock on many of our models. It's a great tire just to, increase your glide down the road, reduce your rolling resistance. The Magnums have a little wider profile than the GTs, so if you wanted to add some efficiency and some speed to your Magnum, Scorcher's the way to go.
So Justin, then that's going to wrap it up here at the Greenspeed booth. I want to thank you very much for showing us around what you have. And of course, again, thank you for sponsoring us to our Trike Greenspeed. Always great supporters of the Laidback Bike Report.
Absolutely. It's great to be here. Thanks for having me on board. Again, I appreciate all the content you guys put out over the years. It's fantastic stuff.
All right. Hats off, buddy.
Hats off. Yeah.